So, how can you make money from YouTube Shorts without having to show your face or record anything you're sent in this video? I will teach you how to use the software-based text and create an endless number of offers for your channel on any topic. Many generals in this niche started and they just blew up so quickly. And today I will tell you the secret behind this, but in order to achieve this, you must watch this video until the end without skipping. And this is the mistake that every beginner makes. This essentially works anywhere on the globe. And in this video, I will teach you how to add video as a stream of income to your YouTube channel. So you are not just depending on ad revenue, but also building other revenue streams. So the first step is to choose which especially is ideal for you, because as you may be aware, Tom channels upload hundreds of YouTube shorts and they can manage to get more than 5 users in a video. Despite the fact that they appear to be doing everything correctly, they are right, the right title, they have gotten the thumbnail and the video isn't offered. On the other hand, there are new channels there they started from the ground up at least 5 YouTube charts. 10 now have 400,000 subscribers and are not unsure what to do with all the play bar. Then they have boredom. So what's the catch? How can you come up with the appropriate short ideas? The gag will almost certainly result in a large number of views, and more crucially, how can you make those shorts without feeling anything or being silly in front of the camera? And looking at the fridge is always popular, and the greatest method to find your specialty or utilize redact you a free online extension. So simply type your niche topic into this book and it will tell you how many people are searching for that place and whether or not competition is highly charged. By the way, I present lead generating over 6.5 billion daily views on YouTube. And if you are not utilizing them yet, you should be charged even to dominate the YouTube platform, according to some reports. What is your opinion? Let me know in the comments down below. To back to the point, as a reserve, the sooner you begin the better. Anyways, you have a variety of sports teams to choose strong test back. So I'll cost you methics, couples, gaming, money, fishing, and so on. All of which you can explore using a fetal cord. And believe me, when I say that is far better to spend 5 minutes of your searching than it's to leap into some extreme niches spending hours making charts and getting the views. So go do a video. Anytime you need to do some research, it's darkly free. Put a few keywords in this area and see how many people are looking for them. Focusing on the dog niche is now the simplest choice, and one that will help you to generate money with sharks just by copy and pasting. Now, this is completely optional, and the technique we will be discussing in this video in almost any niche, but I will use their dog niche as an example. And then there are two tops will make over $13,000 per month. In fact, because he received more than 100,000 daily views, Pusher Blade believes that he owns over $500 each day. You will get all the videos there that are available to use in your videos. It's hard to hand in copyright issues. Simply copy the link on YouTube and head over to Google and search YouTube Sharks to MP4 converter. Open the first link and paste the URL here. Now simply download this video, and a genuine video is a final thing. You will need to generate money using YouTube Shorts. And I personally used in the video for this, which you can get at invideo.io. This is a completely free program that will allow you to not only make videos, but also why someone for such videos. So allow me to explain how it works. Obviously, you may use this for free, but there will be a little watermark left behind. So if you are serious about getting an unlimited access to this, you may join up using my affiliate link in the description below. This video is not sponsored. However, if you use an affiliate link from the list below, I will receive a commission at no additional cost to you. So on invideo.io, you have a lot of templates to pick from, and if you click the vertical option right here, it will show you all the different templates that you can use for your videos, legs, or zoom. I want to go with this one, and my shorts are on this particular template. It's only a matter of clicking on it. They are difficult at first, but when you use this template, trust me, it is actually very easy and straightforward to use. And you can see this is scene number 1, and I'm going to produce a video with some texts to here. I will upload the video deck. I just download it and move it here. Now I haven't tried some call to action in the video. I will write like, and subscribe at the top first link in the description. Now we will head over to this fab is just like ClickBank. First, sign up here and then go to the marketplace or to anyone infected section. Now I will choose a product according to my video. So I found this product about dogs that is perfect to go with my video. He will receive $28 per sale to get 8 links. This is a URL on the Sharknado website. So just sharp though. You edit it from here and export the video in video. The next thing is to upload the video to YouTube, and in the description is this link port correctly. So whenever someone clicks on the video, you will receive a commission. Now we need to optimize the video correctly and give the right target. Come in with curiosity in the RD, making sure that the video you uploaded is between 30 to 50 seconds long, and make sure to use different effects in the video to people you don't believe you're on video. And that is the secret for going viral on YouTube Shorts. Finally, all you have to do now is to publish it to your YouTube channel and play it as many times as you like. And the duration of the one shot should be between 40 to 50 seconds. You can try your best for yourself. If you want to make money by watching YouTube videos, click on the top video. And if